Hey drivers and road warriors, tired of missing critical moments on the road? In 2025, dash cams aren't just cameras. They're your co-pilot, bodyguard, and evidence collector all in one. From ultra-clear 4K footage to hands-free controls, smart parking monitoring, and real-time alerts, we're breaking down the best dash cams that keep you safe, connected, and in control. Stick around as we check out features, performance, and what makes each dash cam a must-have for every car owner. Ever wished your car had eyes everywhere? The VIOFO A229 Pro brings that to life with its triple camera setup, covering the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle. The dual StarVes, two sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, capture ultra-clear 4K plus 2K plus 1080p footage. So whether it's day, night, or a rainy evening, every detail is crystal sharp. Love tech? You'll enjoy 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logging, and voice commands, making setup and playback a breeze. Worried about parking incidents or late-night bumps? The 24-hour parking mode keeps an eye on your ride even when you're not there. And with support for up to 512 GB storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. If you want a dash cam that's smart, reliable, and future-proof, this is it. Check the description for the link and see it in action. Looking for a dash cam that's basically a co-pilot for your car? The Nextbase 622 GW is packed with features that make it feel almost alive. It records in full 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, giving you ultra-smooth video, while a 140-degree front lens captures the road ahead perfectly. Night driving? No problem. Night vision and image stabilization keep footage clear and steady. Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity let you share your footage instantly, and the super slow motion mode at 120 frames per second is perfect if you need to analyze a specific incident. Alexa built-in means hands-free assistance while driving, keeping your focus where it should be, on the road. If you want a dash cam that's advanced but incredibly user-friendly, this is your pick. Hit the description below to check it out. The Nextbase IQ is designed for those who want a smart, hands-off dash cam experience. With dual 1080p HD recording for front and rear, you're covered from every angle. What makes it stand out is the Smart Sense Parking, which monitors your vehicle while you're away, plus emergency SOS and Road Watch AI that alert you if something unusual happens. It comes bundled with a 64 GB micro SD card, so you're ready to record immediately. For urban drivers or road trip enthusiasts, this camera balances reliability, intelligence, and ease of use. Find the link in the description and grab yours. Compact, discreet, but packed with power. That's the Garmin 67W. Don't let the small size fool you. It records 1440p of video with an ultra-wide 180 degrees field of view, capturing everything around your car. Voice control lets you operate it hands-free, while connected features allow you to monitor your car even when you're away. The included memory card ensures you can start recording right out of the box, and Garmin's trusted reliability means you're investing in a dash cam that lasts. If subtlety and performance matter to you, this one hits the sweet spot. Check out the description for the link. If you're all about crisp visuals and ultimate coverage, the ROVE A229 4K Pro is a no-brainer. With 2160p UHD recording at 30 frames per second, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and night vision, it captures everything in detail, day or night. WDR, wide dynamic range, ensures balanced exposure, while built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi let you track location and share footage instantly. The 2.4-inch IPS screen gives real-time previews, and the 24-hour parking mode keeps your vehicle safe even when you're away. It supports up to 512 GB storage, so long trips or long-term recording won't be a problem. For those who want professional-level dash cam performance without the hassle, this is it. Grab yours from the description below. From city streets to long highway trips, these top dash cams of 2025 offer clarity, security, and smart features that go beyond basic recording. Whether you want a full 4K experience, advanced parking monitoring, or hands-free controls, there's a dash cam here that fits your needs perfectly. Check the description for all the links and pick the one that suits your ride.